Hi, this is Gary from poolsupplies.com, and we're here today to help you with questions on opening your pool. Thank you for joining us. So today we're going to talk about opening your pool, making it a lot easier and having everything at the house and ready to go. So what I have here today is two different styles of skimmers. I have a leaf net skimmer and I have just a standard skimmer. You're going to use these to get all the debris and leaves off of the cover if there's any left. You'll need some sort of submersible pump. We have a simple one, small one is an automatic, on and off switch built in. We have a larger one, and then we have next would be the opening of your pool, chemicals, and then for cleaning the liner up, cleaning the winter cover up, we have your vinyl tile cleaner. What you have inside is three products in this particular one. This one here is good for pools up to 15,000 gallons of water. It comes with algicide, stabilizer, which is a chlorine sunscreen. It helps to hold in the chlorine using UV rays. It's just like if you were putting on sunscreen, you have sunscreen for the pool, which is stabilizer. Then you have your shock, which is going to shock the water and kill any contaminants or combined chloramines over the winter time.
This is Gary from poolsupplies.com. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to your questions in the future. Thank you.